So this is a beautiful car. It's a 1950 Chevy Styleliner Deluxe Coupe, and it's a two-owner car, fully documented. The present owner has had it since 1978. He bought it when he was in high school. In about 2004, he completed a full restoration. So it has to be one of the nicest in existence anywhere in the world. He upgraded it from a standard coupe to a deluxe by adding various trim pieces and doing what was necessary. And he did a beautiful job. The file history comes with the car. The restoration was fully documented in photos. So no surprises there. Although it's still cold, we'll start it up. Very, very nice. Mechanically, it's perfect. They added power steering to it.